What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the dividend payments that I received last month, which is a little over $600. And I actually think I got paid from 7 different companies. We're going to talk about it, and more importantly, I'm going to show you each dividend payment that I got in each company that I was paid a dividend from. This is really exciting because this is the start of a wonderful relationship. Hopefully in the future, this little amount that I'm getting paid for dividends will multiply 2, 3, 4 times, and I'd be able to get quite a bit of money and live off of my dividend payments. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now I have on the screen my current portfolio that is on Robinhood. I do have some money on a Webull account, but we're not even going to talk about that in this particular video. Today, as you can see, has been quite the ride. So if I show you guys basically today, this is the day right now, and it's still live right now, so the account's still moving. But today, as you can see, my account this was what was going on with my account. Let's just get to the time that the market opens here, which pre-market is 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. this morning, you see that my account was valued at $237,804. And so then you saw, look at this, it went up pretty soon after the market opened at 8:30 here in Houston. And look, it was up $2,205 earlier today, and now it's all the way down a little bit. It's only up $39. So a pretty interesting ride that it went on today, to say the least. If I was a day trader or a swing trader, I could have made some money today, possibly, but that is way too much work and anxiety for me. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys each account that I've gotten dividend payments from, and I will also show you guys how many dividends I've gotten from that particular company. So I'm going to click on the top right of the screen here where it says accounts, and then I'm going to click on history, and then I am going to click on the right side where it says dividends, so we can just separate it to just dividend payments. So it has pending transactions for the month of September, which we are in now. Today, September the 1st, as of the making of this video. But I'm going to show you the dividend payments that I got for the month of August in 2021. And so the very first payment, as you can see, is with AT&T for $223.03. So at that particular time, AT&T was paying 52 cents per share. Now, of course, they supposedly have slashed their dividend payment per share. It hasn't affected me yet because I know they've announced it, but this last dividend payment that I got is still the 52 cents that they paid per share before. They do pay dividends quarterly, so I get this payment every 3 months. So this will be a little different the next time, I think, supposedly, because they did announce they were going to slash their dividend payment. But this is the payment that I got with AT&T, and I think I've gotten 4 dividend payments altogether with AT&T. The next dividend payment is with AG&C. As you can see there, it was on August the 10th, and that's for $22.90. At the time, I had 190 shares, and they were paying 12 cents per share. That is my 10th dividend payment with AG&C. AG&C pays dividend monthly, so that's my 10th dividend payment. Now, I will go and show you guys once again the dividend payments that I've gotten and which amount, not amount, but which dividend payment it was from that particular company. The next company is Apple. I got a dividend payment on August the 12th. This is a quarterly paying company. I had 563 shares, and Apple was paying 22 cents per share, which gave me a dividend payment of $124. Now, all of these dividend payments that you guys are seeing, I do have DRIP turned on Robinhood, which stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. So they reinvest the dividend payment and grab more shares for me. Okay. The next dividend payment that I got was on August the 16th from Kinder Morgan, and that was in the amount of $29.02. At the time, I had 107 shares, and they're paying 27 cents per share. They do pay dividends quarterly. Okay, so I get that payment once every 3 months. The next one is Prospect Capital. This one does pay monthly. At the time, I had 1,452 shares, and they're paying 6 cents a share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $87.16. This is probably my 5th or 6th dividend payment with Prospect Capital. Once again, I'll show you exactly how many dividend payments I've gotten from each of these companies that I've gotten paid for in the month of August. The next one up is Amor Residential REIT. I had 883 shares at the time, and they're paying 10 cents per share, which allowed me to get $88.30. The cool thing about these dividends is every single payment is increasing every time that I get paid. So that's really cool, but more exciting is that 10, 20, 25 years down the line, these dividend payments are going to be substantially more, just because I will continue to reinvest my dividend payments, which will allow me to grab more shares. And so it'll be really exciting to kind of see how much different that'll be later on, because I can always have, I'll always have the ability to log into my Robinhood account and show you guys dividend payments that I got 10 years ago, right? So it'll be kind of cool to see what happens there. The last one is with Gladstone Capital, and I got that I think the 31st of August. At the time, I had 1,023 shares, and they're paying 0.065 cents, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $66.50. Now, I am going to go ahead and show you guys each one, because I want to show you how many dividend payments I've gotten from each company. So the first one up on the list is AT&T, and I already have that opened here. With AT&T, that was my 4th dividend payment. So the first one was November the 2nd for $156. The next one was February 1st for $211. Since then, I didn't buy any more shares. So I basically allow Robinhood to do the dividend reinvestment for me. And so February 1st, I got a payment for $211.36. May 3rd, I got a payment of $215.18. And then August 2nd, $223.03. Okay, that's with AT&T. The next one up here is AGNC. I'll scroll down here and click on Show More. Give me 1 second here. I'll click on Show More and then Show Dividends. Like I said, this is my 10th dividend payment that I've gotten with AGNC. The first one started back in November of 2020. So November, then we have December, January, that's 3, February is 4, March is 5, April is 6, May is 7, June is 8, July is 9, and then of course August is 10. So I've gotten 10 dividend payment from AGNC, which I'm super excited about. It's a monthly paying dividend. The next one is Apple. If I scroll down and show you guys, I think I've gotten 3 or 4 dividend payments from Apple. So we click on Show More, then we'll click on Dividends. Okay, so you can see here that this is my 4th dividend payment from Apple. The very first being November the 13th, 2020 for $102.50. The next one was February 12th for $115.19. And then the next one is May 3rd for $123.84. I did not buy any more shares from May 3rd to the August 12th. May 13th, I'm sorry, from May 13th to the August 12th payment, I didn't grab any more shares, so there wasn't a big jump as far as what the dividend payment was, okay? So then the last payment here is August the 12th, so that's 4 dividend payments with Apple. The next one is Kinder Morgan. I think this is maybe my 3rd dividend payment from Kinder Morgan. All right, we'll click on Show More once again, and we'll click on Dividends. And yep, that is correct. This is my 3rd dividend payment, the first one being on February 16th, 2021. That's for $27.29. I did not buy any more shares. The next payment is for $28.61. So of course you see an increase there of more than $1, which is always exciting. And then from the May 17th to August the 16th, the dividend payment is $29.02. All right. The next one up is Prospect Capital. Prospect Capital pays dividends monthly. This is one of my favorite ones just because it's always good to get monthly dividends. I don't know why that's so exciting to me, but I do like it. All right. So this is from Prospect Capital 1, 2, 3, May 20th, 4, June 17th, 5, July 22nd, and 6. This is my 6th dividend payment from Prospect Capital. And if we can just look at them, there has been an increase with the dividend, and I didn't grab any more shares at all other than Robinhood reinvesting the dividend payment. So you see the first payment was for $84.04, and the second payment $84.69, third payment $85.33, the fourth payment $85.94, the fifth payment $86.54, and then the sixth and most recent payment for $87.16. All right, we have two more to show you. The next one is Almore Residential REIT. This one also pays monthly. You guys know how I feel about monthly paying dividends. Pretty exciting stuff. Let me click on dividends here and show you guys. So this looks like it's about the same. My seventh dividend payment. So the first one is back in February for $14.26, and then March for $84.62. Since March, I have not grabbed any more shares other than what the dividend payment was reinvested. So 84.62, April 85.31, and then in May $86 even, June $86.71, July $87.48, and the most recent August $88.30. Okay, the last one up is another monthly paying dividend with Gladstone Capital, and I will scroll down and click on show more once again. Then I'll click on dividends once again, and this is my fifth dividend payment, it looks like, with Gladstone Capital. So first one, $65. Since then, I haven't bought any more shares. This is all dividend reinvestment, okay? So everything you see here is from the very first investment that I made with Gladstone Capital. So April 30th, a dividend payment of $65. In May, $65.38. In June, $65.75. In July, $66.12. And then in August, $66.50. So once again, that was 7 different companies that I got dividend payments from, and that totals, I think it totals $640 and some change. So if we look at it real quickly here, I can add it up and show you guys exactly how much it is. So let's start with AT&T. Let me pull up my calculator here. So we'll start with AT&T, and we'll use the calculator here real quickly on the screen. Let's see if I can work it. All right, so AT&T being the first one, so that was 223.03 plus $22.90 with AGNC, plus 124.06 with Apple, plus $29.02 with Kinder Morgan, plus $87.16 with Prospect Capital, plus $88.30 with Almore Residential REIT, plus $66.50 with Gladstone Capital, and that total is $640.97. This is actually the highest dividend payment that I've got for one specific month. Now, clearly, I do have dividends coming in monthly as well as dividends coming in quarterly. So it's not going to be a consistent amount every single month because that's not how it's set up. So of course, it's going to vary, and I'll make a video showing the different dividend amounts in regards to the payments that I've gotten from month to month to month. I'll do that at some point, I'm sure. But I just wanted to show you guys my dividend payments there. Like I said, currently this is where my portfolio stands as of the making of this particular video, which I'm up overall. Finally, I'm back in the green again. If I click on the all-time here and show you guys all-time, I'm actually up $93, which is a really big deal. Doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a lot to me. Since I've started investing in May of 2020, I'm actually up right now a good $4,000, which is really, really cool. Super excited about that. All right, anyway, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.